how to get Rev points on Revolut. You want to load up the Revolut app, and here just sign into your account. After you have signed in, click on Rev points in the bottom right corner. Here you will see your current amount of Rev points, and if we want to actually get some Rev points, you can click on Earn next to Redeem, and here you will see 28 points per one of your currencies paired. So first we want to click on Spare Change and enable this option. So Spare Change is going to convert any of your remaining balance into Rev points. And what you can also do is once you use your card, then this is going to also add some points to your to your account. And here you can see also bonus points up to 20 points for specific shops, for challenges, for points pockets, for stays and experiences. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.